Today we'll understand how to remove pimples, marks and scratches using healing brush. Make a duplicate copy of the original copy. Go closer to the subject. Select healing brush. Need to take a sample from the nearest area. Hold Alt key to take the sample. Once you take the sample, remove your hand from the Alt key. Click it on the pimple area. So the sample has been copied and it has been pasted on the affected area. Go to the nearest area, hold Alt key, click once, remove your hand from the Alt key and click on the pimple area. Alt key to take the sample, click to paste the sample. Alt key to take the sample, paste to copy. And you can also use spot healing tool to remove the pimple. Click on spot healing brush tool. When you are using spot healing brush tool, no need to take any sample, need not have to press on Alt key, just go near the affected area, just click on the affected area. It will take the sample from the nearest area by itself. This is how you can use spot healing tool or healing brush to remove pimple from your subject's face.